This video will show you the 3 steps to download, install, and use the templates available on this site. So this is step 1. So both with the free templates and the premium templates, it's basically the same steps to go through to download them. Just with premium templates, you have to add in your credit card information. And you can also use PayPal. I will demonstrate it here with the free templates. So just click on either one of these, and it'll bring you to the free templates page. Scroll down a little bit, and click over here and click on Get It Now. It'll pop this up. Just enter in your information here. And you click Continue. And this will just give you a summary of your order. So you click Continue if it's correct. And it will send an email to the one you provided. We'll give you directions on how to download your digital purchase. It'll be available for 3 months. But right now it's already available for download here. So just click on Download, Save to Computer. And then you go to the folder where you have your downloads. And then you can minimize the other window. So here's the file, freetemplates.zip. So you basically want to unzip that to a new folder. So here I'm using 7-zip. You could just use the built-in capabilities of Windows 10. Here I'm going to extract it to a folder called Free Templates. And you open that up. And you basically have these files. These are the ones for the free pack. The premium pack has quite a few more templates. But then it also has a batch file here and another file called list.txt. What the list.txt basically does is when you double click on this file, it'll copy the files in this folder minus the batch file itself and this file, which then it'll copy it to the correct folder to use in Resolve 15. Now I'll show you which one you actually want to have them copied to, which is right here, which will be under your C, Users, App Data, Roaming, Blackmagic Design, DaVinci Resolve, Fusion, Templates, Edit, and Titles. The reason I include the batch file is because this is quite a complex directory structure you have to go to, and also the app data by default is hidden, so you have to unhide it first before you can even find this folder. But you can just go and copy the files with the dot setting. That's all the templates. So here there's 4 of them. In one of the premium packs there might be as many as 8, 12, 15 of these. So you can just copy them all and paste them into this folder. Or if you just double click on the batch file, it automatically does that and moves those files into the folder, so you don't have to go searching for this particular folder. And in the last step, we'll show you how to set up your Resolve 15 to use these new templates and how to correctly put them into your projects. Okay, in the last step here, I will show you how to set up your Resolve to use these titles to make it the easiest, smoothest for use. So here, once you add them, you'll see them here listed. Everything with each one will have an FT at the beginning, so it's easy to find them. And you can basically just drag and drop them into your timeline here. But one of the things you want to do is each of them set up to be 6 seconds long. So that's how long the actual animation of the, say, lower third, where transitions are actually usually about 1.5 seconds long, and the lower thirds are about 6 seconds long. But by default, you probably want to set up anything you add here to the timeline from your titles or generators to be 6 seconds long. I think by default it's set to 5 seconds. You want to come up to DaVinci Resolve, go to your preferences. You want to make sure you're under User, and go to Editing, and you want to make sure that the standard generator duration is set to 6 seconds. You can have it longer than that if you want, but you want it to be at least 6 seconds. So that's how long each of these is by default. And then you click Save. So now you could use them. So if you want to add in some background footage, and then you can just go to any one of these, new lower thirds, and just drag and drop them on. And as you go through the work, you'll play through. So that's all there is to it, to download, install, and use your new templates you've downloaded. And I hope you find them useful, and thank you for downloading from FusionTemplate.com.